Welcome friends. Let us today focus Platanus tree. Platanus word has come from the Greek word. In the Greece it was known as the Platani, and from Platani we have the Platanus. Platanus is the tree genus under the family Platanaceae, which has the affinity with the family Proteaceae under order Proteales. Platanus genus has about 6 to 8 species worldwide. Plane trees are, as it is called in English, are sycamore trees. In Jammu and Kashmir, the state tree known as Platanus orientalis is the oriental plane tree, and this has the much landscape value. It stands planted across the length and breadth of Kashmir Valley. So it also has its local name. The local Kashmiri name for the oriental plane tree, Platanus orientalis, is Boni or Boni. The term stands derived from the goddess Bhavani. Kashmiri Pandits used to worship, and still we have the temple, Tolamula temple at Kheer Bhavani under the chinar trees. Chinar is the Urdu name, basically derived from Persian name. Chinar, what a fire. So it is said that Mughal Badshah Jahangir, when he saw the enchanting fiery red autumn foliage on the chinar trees in the Kashmir Valley, he exclaimed as Chinar, what a fire. So it got its name Chinar, but originally Kashmiri people have its own name, Kashmiri name, as Boni or Boni. And today also we find many temples and mosques and Pir Baba dargahs under the shade of the chinar trees. So chinar leaf is a motif which is used mostly in many handicrafts, in embroidery, in paper mache, even in shawl making. So Kashmiri culture, Kashmiri heritage is intimately associated with the oriental plane tree, Platanus orientalis, seen in Kashmir Valley and having the great antiquity. Even Laldit's works, poetic compositions also find mention of the Boni in the hymns. So we can presume this is the 15th century tree in Kashmir. Originally it is thought to be native of Mediterranean Iran, but it is almost, I think, flourishing, and it has a greater antiquity in Kashmir. Platanus orientalis is found in the eastern hemisphere on the globe, whereas in the western hemisphere we have another plane tree found in America, which is called as the American sycamore, also known as the Occidental plane. And this particular tree also stands introduced in Kashmir. It is seen in the campus of Chakwast, Shalimar campus. It is also seen in the floriculture garden, plant introduction section, Chashma Shahi. This particular tree, how can be distinguished from our oriental plane tree? Leaf lobing is much deeper in case of oriental plane tree chinar, whereas in case of occidental plane or American sycamore, it is not that deeply lobed. It is shallowly lobed. The leaf at the time of fall is fiery red in case of oriental plane tree, whereas in case of American sycamore or occidental plane, it is golden yellow. Even the number of fruits, that also varies. In case of oriental plane tree, we have 3 to 6 fruits on one peduncle, whereas in case of this occidental plain, we have less number of fruits. But the common feature among all oriental plain trees or platanus species is the maple-like or palmately lobed leaves. It may be deeply and five-lobed as in orientalis. It may be three-lobed and shallowly lobed as in occidentalis. Or even one exception is there where we have the simple leaf. And that plain is basically Southeast Asian tree known as the Ker's plain tree. Platanus kerri, named after Irish physician AFGK. AFGK means Arthur Francis George Carey. In his honor, this particular plain tree, which has the simple leaves, undivided leaves, and another distinguishing character of Platanus kerri is it is evergreen. Whereas all other plain trees, plain species, they are deciduous. But here it is an evergreen plain tree called as Ker's plain or Platanus kerri, found in Southeast Asia, Thailand. And Carey was the botanist who contributed towards the flora of Thailand. So in his honor, this plain tree is known as Platanus kerri. Under separate subgenus. So sometimes some botanists also propose it should be segregated and kept as separate genus. But so far it is under the Platanus. We see both these introductions of Occidentalis, which is from the Western Hemisphere, and the Orientalis, Eastern Hemisphere. Mostly in the Mughal gardens we see that is Platanus orientalis, very lofty, 30, 40 meter tall, and one of the largest tree has been reported from Shatragam, where it is inside a mosque, sacred campus, and there it has been found at the ground level. It has about a very huge girth, 30 meters, and at breast height, again the circumference is measured as 10-14 meters. So this is considered as largest plane tree globally. And we also have the oldest chinar at Bijbehara, which is called as Padshahi Bagh, and that is presumed to be planted by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And that particular area where these oldest chinars exist at Bijbehara is also known as the town of chinars. Also we have Darashkoh garden, where we find again these majestic chinars, even in Nishat Bagh, even in Shalimar Bagh, even at Achhaval. So it adds beauty and charm, and it is a very good cool shade provider during the summer. So plain trees are mostly drought resistant, but they prefer the wetland situations. They mostly trees are adapted to the riparian kind of forest along the streams and rivers, especially as we find in case of American sycamore, that is Platanus occidentalis. It is found in marshy, wet situations, but it can also withstand drought. The leaves are comparatively thicker, they don't degrade easily, so it takes time. So they are usually used as Kangdi fuel in Kashmir when they fall after the fiery red phase. Ultimately they fall and they are collected and used as the Kangdi fuel. Kangdi is the heating pot used in Kashmir. The wood is known as the button wood, and mostly in case of occidentalis, this particular wood is also used for furniture making and for some decorative items. Even the chinar, which is found in Kashmir, has also found use in small timber, but its wood, mighty and older trees, they get hollowed out. Sometimes very huge trunks with the hollow inside were also used by the locals to take shelter during rain, or to put up a small kiosk for selling some items, articles. So Chinar is also the manifestation of goddess Bhavani, so it is locally known as Bhui or Bhuni, the name derived from Bhavani. Another hybrid, which is thought as a hybrid between the Platanus orientalis and Platanus occidentalis, is the London plane tree. Earlier it was known as Platanus hispanica. Now as a hybrid it is Platanus cross acerifolia, as its leaves are more like acer. They look more like occidentalis. Occidental plane, that is Platanus occidentalis, is vulnerable to the attack of anthracnose disease, a fungal disease. But the London plane tree, which is hybrid of the orientalis and occidentalis, is resistant. So this particular tree has been planted not only in the streets of London, UK, but even outside South Africa, even in Australia, and even in America. So this is preferred as a landscape tree, for it is more resistant to anthracnose disease. One, it grows very tall, and it also has the beautiful bark. Mostly we see the bark of these plane trees, it exfoliates, and as a result its bark looks mottled. Sometimes you have the greyish, especially in occidentalis we see, and somewhere it is brownish, somewhere it is pinkish. The bark of the oriental plane, Chinar, Bhuni, is used as tea substitute. So its decoction has some health benefits also. So it can be collected and boiled for the herbal tea. Even the leaves extract have been analyzed for phytochemical constituents. So it is having the proanthocyanidins in it, it having the flavonoids also, even the triterpenoids, even the presence of betulinic acid stands reported from the plane trees. Its floral globular head looks like capitulum, and number of the heads, capitula, determine which species it is. Male and female flowers are in separate globose heads, but a tree is monoecious. On the same tree we find both male and female capitula. Sepals, they are mostly 2, 3 or 4, and they are united. Perianth is again 2, 3 lobes. The stamens also 3 to 7, and carpels are also apocarpus, and fruit formation takes place after 6 months. After pollination, it takes about 6 months to mature into a achene head. The globular fruit is a group of achenes basically. Achenes mean one-seeded fruits having the hairy structure to aid in its dispersal. So many finches, they are very fond of eating its Chinar's achenes, and in the process they also disperse it. Some animals, porcupine, also uses its bark, and even the deer. Its foliage is also the source of food for many insects. Some kind of borer also attacks it. This tree provides nesting sites for the eagles and vultures, as we find in Kashmir. Another species which is seen is in California. This is called as Platanus racemosa or Californian sycamore, Californian plane tree. This is found in temperate region. It can withstand the more snow also, winter snow, and this also have the affinity, much closer affinity with Kashmir Chinar, that is Platanus orientalis. So racemosa is much closer to orientalis than to other species. We also have another tree which is found in Arizona, plane tree, and it is found in Mexico. This particular tree which is found is again another tree which is seen in American continent. In Kashmir, we have the mention of Habba Khatun, 16th century mountain poetess. Even she sang her lyrics under the shade of chinar trees. It provides the summer cool air. It is pollution resistant. But its roots are not that deep. Because of the shallow rooting system, sometimes they also cannot resist the wind speed, as it happened 3-4 years back. Even in the Shalimar Garden, Kashmir, many of the chinar trees were uprooted in the wind. Kashmir Valley had about 4,000 the chinar trees about 80 years back. But presently we see about 2,000 trees, the mature and old trees left. And the Chinar Day is also celebrated on 15th March by the Floriculture Department. State Forest Research Institute also launched the Chinar Conservation Project in Valley, and under the effort it produced the mass scale saplings of chinar, and they were distributed to different agencies, paramilitary forces, army, CRPF, where they had the big large site campus and where its planting was resorted to. And ideal planting season is the February, March, when the new shoots come. At that time it should be planted. Flower is bracteate, even bracteoles are also present, and even the leaf is having the stipules. The chinar trees having the majestic look during fall time, fiery red chinars can also be used under ecotourism. So kind of chinar festival can be organized in Nisim Bagh, the Kashmir University, where we find about 700 chinar trees having more than 600 years age, and they were supposed to be planted by Akbar Badshah, Mughal king. So the heritage, cultural heritage and ecological value of the chinar trees need to be provided focus under our awareness programs, under our tree planting programs, and under revival of traditional wisdom linked to chinar tree. Even there is popular chinar poet in Kashmir, Zarif Ahmad Zarif Saab. He also has adored the beauty of chinars in the form of verses, in Kashmiri verses. So chinar is very popular tree of Kashmir, and it need to be further adored, explored and planted.